Hello, this is Cyrille Clerc. I will present today cluster operation for Jenkins Operations Center, illustrated with the update of all the plugins of all the masters of a Jenkins Operations Center infrastructure. For this demo, we will use one Jenkins Operations Center with 3 client masters, Jenkins A, Jenkins B, and Jenkins Test. On Jenkins Operations Center page, let's create a new item, a new job called Update all plugins on all masters with the type Cluster Operations. The configuration screen of a Cluster Operations job is very similar to the other jobs such as the Freestyle job. An Operations section replaces the Build section. This Operations section is a place where I define the operations performed on Jenkins masters and on update centers. The first step is to select a type of operations on Jenkins masters or operations on update centers. We choose operations on Jenkins masters. Then, the source section let me select the Jenkins masters on which I perform my operations. I select all the Jenkins masters of my Jenkins Operations Center. For this, I select from the Operations Center route, and I can refine with a filter. I use in-pass with a star character. It is now time to define the admin operations as steps of my job. First, I refresh update center metadata, then update all plugins, and finally safe restart. Please note that the execution of the refresh update center metadata step is not completely warranted and may not be completed for the step update all plugins. I can now save my job and run it with the standard build now command. I can see the standard progress bar of build number 1 in the build history section on the left. I can look at the logs of the build. The Jenkins masters are updated and my build is a success. I can go on the home page of Jenkins Master A to see that it is restarting as expected. I can go back to the console output view of my job to see the detailed logs for each Jenkins master. Let's look at the logs of Jenkins Master A. This was a presentation of the cluster operations for Jenkins Operations Center, illustrated with the task Update all plugins on all masters. Thank you for your time. To learn more, you can visit us online at www.cloudbees.com.